A recent report called the Annual Status of Education Report ASER 2023 revealed some concerning facts about students in rural areas aged 14 to 18. Almost 43% of them struggle to read English sentences and 25% find it difficult to read a Class 2 level text in their regional language. More than half of these students also face challenges in simple division, a skill expected by Class 3 or 4. The survey covered 4 aspects for children: fundamental reading, math and English skills, using basics for daily calculations, comprehending written instructions, and practical financial calculations. However, there is a slight improvement in English reading compared to 2017. The report surveyed 34,745 children in 28 districts across 26 states, highlighting issues in basic reading, math, and English skills. Surprisingly, 90.5% of teens in this age group use social media. However, only around half of them know about online safety settings.